So you probably host giveaways in your Discord server, right? If not, your community can start to feel a bit boring because giveaways are one of the best ways to keep a server active, engaging, and fun. That doesn't mean you have to host huge or expensive giveaways. Even small giveaways from time to time are enough to keep your members excited and involved. The problem is that most servers rely on third-party giveaways boards. These usually come with a few downsides. Some require a monthly subscription, others don't provide all the features you need, and many server owners simply want their own custom board that represent their community with their own name, logo, and branding. So today I will show you exactly how you can do that. I have brought you a fully advanced giveaway Discord board. First, we will take a look at how the board works, and then I will show you how you can get it and set it up in under 2 minutes. So let's get started. Here I am in a Discord server, and here is our Discord giveaway board. It's online, fully configured, and ready to go. So when we use slash giveaway, you will see four slash commands. The first one is giveaway config, which lets you configure the entire giveaway system. I will show you how it works in a moment. Next, we have slash giveaway start, which is used to create a giveaway. When you run it, you will see the required options, price, duration, and winners. You will also notice 7 additional option settings. You don't have to use them, but they are available if you need them. For example, you can choose the channel where the giveaway will be sent. You can also set a role requirement that only users with a specific role are allowed to enter the giveaway. If you want to require a minimum number of total messages before someone can enter, you can do that as well. The same goes for daily messages requirements. You can also require a minimum number of invites, set a minimum Discord account age, and even require users to have been in the server for a certain amount of time. So most of these options are used to create giveaway entry requirements. Alright, after that we have slash giveaway and slash giveaway reroll. These are pretty straightforward. One instantly ends the giveaways and the other one rerolls the winner. Now let's run slash giveaway config. As soon as you execute it, this full configuration panel will appear. Once you have the source code, you can customize it as much as you want. You can use your own custom emojis, embed thumbnails, images, and create your own unique design. For now, I have kept everything simple. Here you can see the basic giveaway configuration. You can even customize the giveaway entry button from this panel. If I open the drop-down menu, you will see several options. The first one is embed design. From here, you can completely edit the giveaway embed, including the title and descriptions. Prayers, holders, variables are also available, and you can add your own custom emojis and make the embed look exactly the way you want. At the bottom, you can also customize the footer text and add author name. Now let's go back. The second option allows you to customize the giveaway embed images and embed color. Going back again, the next option is entry button design. Right now I have configured like this, but you can fully customize the button by changing the button style, label, and custom emoji. The next option is bonus entries. For example, if you want server boosters to receive 2 entries instead of one or even more, then you can easily add, edit, or remove bonus entry roles from here. After that, from here, you can select which roles are allowed to start the giveaways. Pretty simple, right? And from here, you can configure the default giveaway requirements such as the minimum Discord account age and the minimum amount of our time user must have been in the server before they are eligible to enter. Finally, you will find placeholders section where you can view all the available placeholder that can be used while designing your giveaway embed. Once everything is configured, simply use the slash giveaway start command. Before the giveaway is actually posted, you will first see a fully preview so you can make sure everything looks correct. If everything is good, just click start giveaway and your giveaway will be posted like this. Very nice, right? Now let me show you where you can get the source code for this board and how to set it up. So I have included the link in the description. When you click on it, you will be taken to my Patreon page. There you will find many advanced pre-made boards that you can purchase. For today's video, you will find the giveaway board on this page. Simply click on it and you can purchase it from here. If you like to read all the details before buying, everything is mentioned on the page. After purchasing, you will receive a zip file. Simply extract the zip and open it in Visual Studio Code. Once you do that, you will have access to the complete source code. You can customize anything you want and edit however you like. Next, open the config.json file. Here you will need to provide your bot token, your bot ID, and MongoDB connection URL. That's it. Your bot is now fully configured. After that, just open the terminal from here and you have to run npm run start and hit enter. Your bot will start immediately. If you don't know how to get your bot token, application ID, or MongoDB URL, don't worry. I have included tutorial links in the description that show you exactly how to get each of them step by step. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video. If there is anything you would like to see, edit, or improve in this bot, let me know in the comment section.